Greetings from another sunny day in Stockholm on this 15th of May, and this is beautiful wild beach spot in the nature reserve Orlången on the same named lake that you can see. And more specifically, I'm on the side that's close to the Balingsta farm in the area called Huddinge, also untouched piece of nature and beautiful wild beach. Look at that, isn't it amazing? This one is located in the municipality of Huddinge. That's obviously part of Stockholm region. And it is time now for beach day number 36 on my Sweden beach adventures. Yes, on this wonderful Wednesday. And we have right now 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and it's gonna be warm the whole day. It's beautiful and sunny weather, and I already measured the temperature in the lake. It is 13 degrees Celsius, so same as yesterday, but yesterday I was on a different side of Stockholm, on a different lake in the Nacka Nature Reserve. So it seems that the lakes keep the same temperature now, but they will get warmer obviously because now it's so sunny, it's so beautiful. So this beach spot is actually quite a bit off from the road, so from me it took 9 kilometers to get to the main road, and then it's like around 500 meters walk, so it's not that much, but you need to walk through the fields and the forest, but it's quite nice. And I have already visited this spot last year. You can check out that episode as well. And yeah, let's then get going and take a swim longer today in this beautiful lake of Orlången, in this beautiful nature reserve. So yeah, time to go. Let's just find a nice spot for the swim today and enjoy to the maximum. Okay, this is rocky and slippery, but I think I will be able to manage to take a swim somewhere here. Looks amazing. Look at that, it's beautiful. And then on the other side you can see Sundbygård, a very known farm that's now a restaurant and conference area as well. And we can see there in the distance also the bridge that goes over the lake of Orlången. Alright, I am trying now to find a nice way in, so let's then go together. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the view that I have right now from the water while I swim. There is even 2 ropes over there at the nice cliff to jump in. Maybe I will use them next time. It looks very exciting. Yes, beautiful piece of nature in Huddinge, Stockholm region, Sweden. Absolutely amazing, look at that. All alone in this beautiful nature. I feel so blessed to live in Stockholm. It's so beautiful with so many natural treasures to uncover and discover, but also it has obviously very nice city pulse if you go to the center of the city, of course. but it's nature all around the whole region of Stockholm, and it's quite a huge region. If you want to go from the south to the north of the whole region, it will take you at least 100 kilometers. From east to west, probably 50. I'm not guessing only. So cool. All right. So one last look of this beautiful nature and this beautiful beach spot that I'm checking out today on this 15th of May 2024. Thank you so much for watching this episode and following my beach adventures, and make sure to subscribe to tune in for more beach adventures and Eurovision content on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.